Ang sarap, grabe. Sa Restiami sauce. Yummy, yummy. Okay guys, this is our ingredients for Malay chicken biryani. So, niluluto pa natin yung 3 pieces onion sliced thinly. And then, after this, ilalagay natin yung ibang ingredients. Anyway, ito yung mga ingredients natin guys. So, we have this chicken. I already cut into small. Cucumber. We have the basmati rice, which is the 3.5 cups. This is the biryani powder, which is available in the market. So we have here the garlic, ginger. Actually, ang nasa ingredients, paste ang nakalagay. So it's good that I have this presser. So, instead of bibili pa ako ng paste, pwede ko na lang i-press yung ating ginger and garlic. So, nakasave tayo. And we need 10 pieces of these chilies kasi kaya lang I'm afraid. So, I only cut 3 pieces of these chilies, which is also available in Indian shops or Indian shop. So, we have this tamarind. So, instead of using a fresh tamarind, of course, wala dito sa Germany. So, I use the powder, instant powder. And then, we need also this cup of water for diluting this powder, this biryani powder. And then, we also need 2 cups of water namaya for boiling the chicken. So, tapusin ko munang lutuin ang ating onion. So, it should be brown, crispy and brown. It gives taste kasi onion gives a sweet taste. I use this oil. This is sunflower oil. Okay, let's wait na maluto ang ating onion. And so I already opened this. So, ito na siya guys. So, this is a mixture of different spices. So, may cumin, may chili powder, and everything. So, marami. So, i-mix ko siya. Okay, one moment. And, yung garlic na, yung ating onion is medyo a little crispy na siya guys. Hininaan ko na yung daig. Baka kasi masulog. So, ayan. I-add na natin ang ating garlic. Garlic. And then, okay, 2 tablespoons of this garlic. 2 tablespoons of this ginger. And once the garlic and ginger is already cooked or already cooked, ayan, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating chicken. So, kunin natin ang ating chicken. Slow motion. Mixed. Okay, let it cook for 10 minutes sa mahinang fire. So, wait natin guys. Ilagay na natin ang ating sauce na napakasarap. Ang bango. Super. And then let's add the cucumber. Let's add the chili. Ooh. Okay. Ang daming spices guys, oh. Yung from the powder. And then 1 cup tamarind syrup or tamarind pulp. Let's wait to cook, no? Let's add more 1 cup of plain water. Then let it boil for 10 minutes. Ayan, naka 10 minutes na guys. So, wow. It smells good guys. Oh my god. Let's taste it. OMG. Ang sarap, grabe. Sa restaurant ko lang natitikman yung ganitong lasa. Okay. So, patay na natin siya. And then, iluto na natin ang basmati rice. Yan, 3.5 cups. 10 minutes settings. Ayan guys. Ito na yung ating rice. Basmati rice. So, I usually use this rice cooker. So, pero based on the recipe, it should be at least 750 grams of basmati rice and 3 liters of water. So, I don't think that this is 3 liters. So, baka iba yung measuring cup. So, lagyan natin ng 3 tablespoon salt. But I will only use a little of this kasi baka umalat. So, kaunti lang guys. Masama rin sa health natin. So, sa blood pressure. So, yan. It's cooling down. So, hintayin lang natin maluto yung rice. So, at least 3/4 cook. Saka natin siya i-remove. Then, ito-transfer natin siya sa isang malaking pot. Okay, dito natin siya iluluto. Dito sa pot na to. So, perfect yung size. So, let's just wait na maluto yung ating basmati rice. Hindi ko siya pinagsabay ng luto kasi I wanted to focus first on this yummy sauce. Yummy. Alright. See you later guys. Ayan guys, luto na yung ating biryani rice. Ayan, look guys. So, perfect. So, lagay na natin ang ating chicken. Ayan. This is my first time to cook this chicken biryani.
I'm thinking straight. It's been 12 days, I think I'm thinking straight. It's been 12 days, I
pour
think I'm thinking
the
straight.
remaining rice. So,
It's been 12 days, I
ginugutom
think
ako
I'm
guys.
thinking straight.
Dagdagan pa natin yan. Madami pa siya guys. So, pero if you like more tasty, you can still add more. And then if it's kulang, then you can still add.
12 days, I think I'm
For
thinking
me,
straight.
this is enough. So if it's not, if the taste is kulang, then you can still add. See, there's still remaining.
Been 12
Maybe I'll
days,
still
I
cook
think I'm
rice.
thinking straight.
Oh, sarap. So sarap guys.
It's been 12 days, I think I'm thinking straight.
Then you can still cook the rice sa minimum heat lang. Minimum heat.
It's been 12 days, I think I'm thinking straight.
Minimum heat. Then you can put more of this sauce on top. Then just cover it and then let it cook for at least 5 more minutes and then it's perfect.